What's up guys, Ivan here, and this is just a very quick preview of the newest Shogun titanium divers by Seiko side by side. This is the first time I see these models in person, and the initial impressions are extremely positive. The black dial reference comes on a titanium bracelet, while the white one comes on a thick silicone rubber band, and I have to admit, both watches look absolutely amazing, and the brushed finishing is exceptionally well made. You definitely need to check these out in person, as this footage doesn't do them any justice. I really like the dials, they're very clean and legible, hands and hour markers are sharp, and both models come with sapphire crystals. The movement inside is the 6R35 with 70 hours of power reserve, and as I said, both look gorgeous, but if I had to pick one, I would definitely go for the white one, as it's literally snow white and much nicer in person. So once again, if you have the chance to go to an 80 and check them out, do it. These are also a little bit big, the case diameter is 43.5mm, but they were smaller due to the 51mm lug-to-lug distance. And on my 17cm or 6.7-inch wrist, both look very good in my opinion. They are also fairly light. On the bracelet the weight is about 120 grams, while on the silicone strap only 99. But I really want to point out here that while both watches feel light, they don't feel cheap at all. Then both watches have drilled lugs for quick and easy strap changes, and although I prefer bracelets over anything else, the rubber strap the white dial model comes with is rather nice. And guys, this is probably the first time I won't complain about the bezel action on Seiko watch, because it's easy to rotate, it has 120 audible clicks, and it doesn't feel spongy at all. It's just a huge step up compared to the Zimbe 12 I recently reviewed. Finally, let's mention the price. The model on the bracelet retails at €1,630, while the white dial on rubber at €1,420. And yes, that's a significant amount of money, so I recommend you try getting a discount. For example, relojeriaesparza.com, who let me check these pieces at their shop in Valencia, have them with 15% off. So if you're interested, feel free to contact them. So that's the end of today's video, guys. Let me know what you think about these two Seiko watches in the comments below. Tell me also what you think about the price. I hope I can get the chance to spend more time with these two pieces and provide you with a full review sooner rather than later. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.